What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in JavaScript. This is a very simple application. We're going to be doing a banking withdrawal. This is how it's going to look like at the end of the project. So we're going to enter current balance. Let's pretend that you have a current balance, let's see, $400, right? And then you do okay. Then we'll go to the next one, enter amount to withdraw. So you want to withdraw how much? $250. All right, it should subtract that, and it says output appears below. Your balance is now 150, right? And then thank you for banking with us. Okay, so now what about if you don't have too much money? Enter current balance. Let's say you have $600 and then you want to withdraw $800. Output appears below. You cannot withdraw $800. You have only 600. Sorry, thank you for banking with us. So this is just a very simple application. We're going to use if statements, and also we're going to be using the dump with this, just to have a little bit of practice with the basic knowledge of JavaScript, like if statement. Okay, are we ready to go? So all right, so let's do that. I'm ready. I have ready my text editor right here. So, and let's start. Let me close that in there. Okay, alrighty, let's do that. And here we go. So we're going to have a div, and then we are going to have a class name for this div, which is going to be container. And then right here, we're going to have a p element right here. And then right here, we're going to say output appears below. Output appears below. Okay, now we're going to have the HR tag, which is going to have the rules of separate the content, the page, the content, whatever we're working on. Okay, so which is going to be a line, horizontal line, horizontal rule. Okay, then we have another p element, and right here we're going to say, or right here we're going to have an ID. There's going to be a few IDs that we're going to use right here. The first one is going to be output, and then we copy that, and then we paste it 2 more times, and let's just a little bit lazy with the descriptive name, but we're going to say 2, and then output 3 right here. Okay, okay, output, yeah, not like that but like this, output. Okay, cool, we have our div ready to go now. So let's create our CSS. So we are going to have for let's just do our style tags right here. Okay, and right here we're going to have a body, and then this body is going to be a background. I think we say purple, right? Okay, we'll leave it at that. And then the container, so we want this container to be we're going to do position, because we want everything to happen in the middle, to show up that display in the middle. We're going to say absolute, and then we're going to say top 50%. We're going to center this one, so nice. We're going to do left, same thing, 50%, and then we're going to say transform, translate, open and closing parentheses, and then translate, okay. And right here we're going to have minus 50%, comma, minus 50%. Okay, and then we're going to have a border. I don't know why we need a border. Yeah, we need a border. Let's just do a border. So 2 pixels, 1 pixel, solid, black. Come on, I cannot even type like, okay. And then we have a padding. It's going to be a padding. We have padding of 40 pixels. And then we need a background. A background we need is going to be black. Okay. And then for the text, so we're going to target the P element. We're going to have color. And we're going to say right here white. And then we're going to have font size. We want the font size to be 30 pixels. We save it and go back and check on the browser and see what we have. Banking. Okay. Way over there. So what happened? So we did something wrong in here. Let's take a look. That doesn't look pretty center, right? Compared to what we have in here. Yeah, let's check it out. Output appears below, okay? Let's go back to our text editor. Not that one, but this one right here. Okay, let's see. Position, background, yeah, that's a position absolute. Top 50, 50%, left 50%, okay. Oh yeah, see, this is not being applied because you know why? Because I misspell. Transforms is transform. Trans. This is my error, my issue, and then we save it. If we go back and check on the browser, it should be center. Pan. You see, it was just a typo that I had. We go back again to our text editor, and now we're going to add our JavaScript. So right here we're going to have our tags for the script for JavaScript, and right here I don't think we need this, but it doesn't matter. Okay, right here we are going to have the following code. So we're going to start with let balance variable name, and then we're going to have we're going to use parse float, so we can do also decimals. We're going to say prompt function or method, and then we're going to say enter. This is for the user input right here. So we're going to say enter current balance, right? And then enter semicolon, and then we just do another variable, but then the amount, we just do the same, or let's just copy this part right here, so that way we can save time. Copy, paste, and then right here we're going to say enter amount to withdraw. Enter amount to withdraw. To withdraw. I think that's how you spell withdraw. Withdraw or withdrawal. I think that way. So right here, so now we're going to do a document get element by ID, and right here we are going to get our output. So this is where it's going to display that inner HTML equals to, so we're going to say your balance but is now in dollars, not in numbers, and then we just do concatenation. We do balance whatever the user enters, that's going to be right here, the balance plus okay. Now So we have that in here. It's going to give us the balance. Now we gotta do some math operation right here. Um, Wait, yeah, sorry. I got too much ahead of me. So we have to use our if statement. So right here, that's where the operation is going to go. So we have the amount. So if the amount is less or greater, or less or equal to balance, we're going to have the following operation right here. If the amount is less or equal to balance, see, I gotta type balance really good. So which I'm doing it. Um, so we're going to say balance equals balance minus amount. Okay, amount. Okay, I just put it back. You see, I keep having the same issues, missing balance. Okay, so now this code right here, that's what it's going to come. Cut and paste. So whatever balance we have, the user is going to enter, right, and we're going to subtract because it's going to ask you a couple uh, input. It's going to ask the application to the user. So enter your balance and enter how much you want to withdraw, and then right here we are going to subtract, you know, the amount minus the, I mean, the balance minus the amount that you have now. And here is going to give you balances, blah 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 blah, after you withdraw, right? Okay, now else we're going to say the following. Going to create another variable. We're going to say negative, variable negative. So document that get element by ID. So we also right here we're going to be targeting, we're going to be using the output ID right here, and then semicolon, and right here we're going to using the negative variable name that inner HTML equals to the you can not, because if you don't have enough money you're going to say you cannot withdraw. Let's put withdraw. Okay, concatenate right here amount semicolon. Also right here in this negative amount, negative, we're going to have the line of code because it says this is negative, it's going to be red, right? So we're going to say style that color equals, we're going to say red. Easy enough, simple enough, right? And now right here we're going to have our document. Again, document that get element by ID. So right here also, when this is negative, we want to say the following. We're going to say out, we're going to target the ID output, we're going to use that, and we are going to say the following message. Also at the same time, you have only it will say balance right here plus concatenate. We're going to say sorry you're broke. Sorry that so just say sorry. You can just add whatever you want to add. Okay, this is the message it's going to give us. And now right here we're going to say the following. Until we're done, we're going to be nice. You have money, no money, we're going to say something really nice to you. 3, we're going to use the ID right there, that inner HTML. Like I said, we're going to say something really nice. Thank you for banking with us. That will make you feel better. Thank you for banking with us. And pan. We save that and we go to our browser, and that should give us everything. Let's see. Enter current balance. So we have, let's see, just $20, right? I got $20, my current balance. I'm broke. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw $15, so it should give me the balance, which is 5, right? Because I'm withdrawing $15. Yep, your balance is not 5. Thank you for banking with us. So now, even if you just do bigger amount, 755.7 or something like that. That's how much I have, and I want to withdraw 45.9. Let's see, it should work. Right, nice. That gives exactly what we need. Now, what about if you just have a negative? I have, oh man, I have $40 as a balance, but then I think, oh man, I think I have $100, and then you want to withdraw 100, right? And then it's going to tell you up appears below, you cannot withdraw 100, you have only $40, which that's what we enter, right? Sorry, thank you for banking with us. Yeah, so that program works as expected. So hopefully you guys have fun with this. It's just a simple application using if statements and also using the DOM. So we're good. All right, have a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, and don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, bye.